Hey everybody, how you doing today? A very important information I would like to share to you for those who have Sony TVs. Uh, Here, you can see it's on 4K, 2160p, but when you go to HDR, no, that's what I'm talking about, the PlayStation 5, of course. If you want to go to always on, you'll get this message. The resolution is set to 1080p because the connected HDMI device does not support 4K. That is not true. Uh, so now we go back to 1080p as you can see for HDR. But what you can do, you can put it in 4K. And the fix for this is basically you have to use your remote controller for the Sony TV. Excuse me. Now go to setting. Once you go to setting, go to watching TV, then go to external inputs, then go to HDMI signal format. Now this is what you will be watching here. Let me just double zoom in here. You'll have HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So if it's your TV is a Sony TV and it does support HDMI 10, like the HDR, excuse me, you should have this type of setup. So what you're gonna do, for example, I'm connected to the HDMI 2. I'm gonna click on it, and you'll find this one. Now this is the trick. So the adjustment is from the TV. It's not from your HDMI cable that comes with a PlayStation 5. It does support 4K HDR, 60 FPS. So what you have to do is just go to from standard to enhanced format, and then you have enhanced format in HDMI 2. You can make all of the HDMIs enhanced, but I connected this to the PlayStation. So you go back, let's go back to the 1X. So we go back here, and in this resolution, we go back to the situation here, 4K. So once you go to the HDR, you say always on, resolution is 4K, and here's the information. So it does support HDR at 4K right now. That's a quick fix for anyone who is confused that his TV or her TV doesn't support HDR at 4K. This is a quick fix. If you don't have Sony TV, try with other TVs with the same setting. Check out with the HDMI outputs, and if it's set up for whatever, the enhanced version. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and see you later.